Hello everyone, welcome to part 15 of dating social networking website in Laravel 5.6. And in this video, we are going to start working on users once again in admin panel. And this time we are going to show complete users details in Modal Pop-up. Like if we will click on this view user link, then some pop-up will open here. Some Modal Pop-up will open in which we will show all user details. Okay, so we are going to show the user details from this table, user underscore details table, and see such so lots of information is there, and here we can't show all the information together in table. So we need one pop-up here that when the user will, when the admin will click on this link, it will open some beautiful pop-up will open, and we can able to close as well. So all these kind of pop-up and links and everything is provided with this matrix template, and we are going to use that. Otherwise, we can also add any third-party pop-up as well. That's not an issue. Just you need to add the JS file for that, and need to insert that script in this page. Okay, so. So basically, we are going to work on this pop-up in this video, and will show all the details. And you have seen that earlier on we have defined the relation between the users and users details table. We have added the relation between the two with this has one we have used, and with this we have defined the relation, and you can see now all the details means all the user details will come when we will access the view user function. See here, if we are going to access view user function to see here, like all the information comes here, like see these user John, Steve, ABC, Rahul does not have the user details. Only two of the user is having user details. See, with ID 6 and with ID 8, two of the user is having the user details. So see, this ID is 6 and Rock, it's having the user details. Okay, so it is showing here, means whichever user is having the user details, that will be shown here as well, as we have predefined this thing here. Means we have added this thing with details. Okay, and this function we have defined here. So like this it's working, and now we need to show all this in Modal Pop-up, and that's what we will do in part 15. Okay, so in part 15 of dating series, we are going to create Modal Pop-up. Okay, pop-up for showing complete user details, user details. Okay, of any particular user. Okay, so it is not possible to show complete user detail in table format. In data table, we can say in data table. So it's better to show complete detail in Modal Pop-up. Okay, so and we will copy this Modal Pop script from matrix element template, and insert it in user view users dot blade dot php file. Okay, so this thing we are going to do. Okay, see here, uh, users blade file, view users blade file, and this is our file, and here we are going to add the script, and see here, and we can just move this thing. Now this thing is clear, so we can move this thing. Okay, yeah. So and also we will update these links as well. It is not showing good enough, and uh, with matrix uh, template, so actually we are having everything there. We just need to explore, and we will find everything they have provided us. And so you can just go in your matrix admin package and see here. Here lot of files are there, and you will see widgets. In widgets you can see these links, and we can update these uh, here, means like for view, edit, read, we can use these kind of links. It looks beautiful. Okay, so first we will update uh, links, our links in view users blade file, like this view details, edit and delete. Okay, so copy these from widgets. It's widgets dot html file from matrix template, element template. Okay, and replace them in our file, in view user blade file. Okay, so I'm going to do this thing first because it will look then better. And sorry, what I'm doing, I just need to scroll it here. It's not present here, so I will just here I can do yeah, these things I can take. Okay, so I will check once here for edit, delete, and these links we can copy here. Yeah, see, for edit we can copy this link. In place of edit we can put uh, like this, and delete uh, we can add this link for delete. Okay, so link we can add for delete here, and no need of this sign and delete. And now view user is left, and this link we can use for view user. Okay, we publish this link we can use for view user, and here we can use view details. We will give view details is better because we want to see the complete details. So here we will give like this. See, now it's looking beautiful. Now it's better. Okay, so view details, or we can simply give it view. Okay, so it will be clear that we want to have the view the details of this user. Okay, and view it. Now it seems to be fine. Okay, now we will now copy modal pop-up, and for modal pop-up you just need to have interface file, because I know, because I have already seen it. And go in interface.html file in your modal pop-up, and open then open uh, this pop-up, means yeah, view pop-up, and this pop-up will come here. See, it's looking fine, and this pop-up we will use as we are using this matrix admin template. So we must use all the features they have provided us. We must avoid third-party scripts. and because we have already provided, so there is no confliction if we will use matrix means matrix features. Okay, but if we will use third party scripts, then there might be chance that scripts might conflict with each other. So we can use if our required script is not available in matrix admin template, then we can get from third party. Otherwise, we must give first preference to the scripts available in matrix template. Okay, so we are going to use this view popup, uh, and I am going to copy this from interface.html. Okay, now we will copy view popup script from interface.html file from matrix admin template, and then we will try to insert in our file. Okay, and we will first try to integrate statically and then make it dynamic with user details. Okay, first we are going to edit, we will show it like this. Okay, so I'm going to pick this interface.html file in my editor as well, and then I am going to copy, then I will yeah, view pop-ups. Okay, so here I am going to first what see, I am going to copy this one in that uh, here only, in view only, and here what I will do it one by one carefully, not in hurry. Href with href. Okay, like this, and after that data toggle, yeah, fine, data toggle is not there, and we can add data toggle here. Okay, now class has come, and now class I am going to see button success, and we'll see there it's already there, so no need to do anything, and it's all over. And see, our main thing is these two things are there that we have added. Okay, these are the two main things that we have added from there, and rest of the code keep it like same. Okay, so now uh, after this we can copy this div. Okay, and we can paste there. Okay, so we can paste inside this, and what we can do, we can paste inside this td. Okay, so there will be no issue. So yeah, we can paste it, or you can also paste it after view. Okay, it's your wish, or you can paste it outside anywhere. But no, we need to paste it inside for each. Okay, otherwise it will create issue. Okay, so we need to place it inside for it, because we need to show pop-up, separate pop-up for every user. Means for every if the admin click on any user, then it will change the details. Okay, so for every user, so we are going to insert here only, and we can insert it after view as well. Okay, so I can simply do like this so that it will be more clear, and after this I will add this. Okay, and now we just need to make it correct. Okay, two test cases it's given. Now I am going to test it. Okay, so now I will refresh, and we'll see. Yeah, it's working fine. Okay, any click on view and it's working fine. Other links are not working because we have not done the functionality yet, but here it's working fine. See, yeah, you can open, you can click on any view button, and the same pop-up will appear again and again, because we have added the same script. Same script is repeating in for each loop. So that's working fine. Okay, now we are going to make this pop-up dynamic, and uh, we'll add all the details that we have added so far in this form, in this user details table. Okay, will be now shown in this pop-up. Okay, so now you have seen in video we able to open modal pop-up uh, after clicking on any of the view link, but now we will make it dynamic. Okay, and for that first thing we need to do is we will add user ID. We will add user ID with this ID of my model. Okay, this was given there. So my model, so that we can open separate pop-up for every user. Okay, so that we can open separate pop-up for every user. So what we are going to do here, we are going to give the ID here so that separate pop-up will get open. So what I will do, I just copy here in my model and will also copy here in my model, so that if the user ID is 1, it will come like my model 1, my model 1. If the user ID is 2, it will come like my model 2, my model 2, and all the dynamic information we can insert here. I can show you the example here, and see the details are coming first. Yeah, we can get the details from there. I will show you some thing here. I will close this one. See here. Okay, now I can insert one more tab here and click here as well. And now see what I am going to do. I am going to now like this. Okay, so yeah, now I am going to have this details. Okay, the details and then DOB. Okay, the details and then DOB. Here we can add DOB, or we can add that city, what thing. Okay, fine, DOB we can add. So here we can add dollar user, then after that it is dollar details, it will come in details, and after that it will come like DOB, like this. Okay, so now you can see it will come like separate. Design we will update, format we will update. See, first we are going to see the sixth ID. See here, DOB. DOB is coming 08222018. Okay, see it is coming fine. Now I will show you for sixth ID. So sixth ID will have different. Sixth ID is having 822018. Sorry, it is the same ID. We can close and to open and refresh, and sixth ID is 822018. It must be 882018. We need to check where is the issue. 8218 ID. We can check it again. And here 882018. Here it is mentioned. Okay, user ID. This is user ID 8. Oh, sorry. I am opening again and again. Same thing. See now, 882018. Now it's fine. See, here is the user ID. User ID is 8. So it's 882018. When we click on this 8th user ID, and when we click on the sixth user, it is 822018. See, 6822018. Okay, and if we will click on any of the other, then it will display nothing because there is no DOB exists. Okay, so it means it's working fine, but now we need to add all the details of the user. Okay, so what we will do now, we are going to copy from that dating form. That dating form we need to copy, and then we'll make changes there. So I will open this step2.blade.php file, and here we have all the dating form, and that we can open and insert data there. Okay, so now we will copy form, dating form. We will copy complete dating form from step2.blade.php file, and add in this, and and uh, add in modal pop-up div. Okay, uh, and then we will make changes there. Okay, so that all user details will be shown correctly. Okay, so this step we are going to do this step, and now what I am going to do, I am going to copy this form, complete form I can copy, and I am going to paste it inside this. Okay, so what I will do, I'm going to do here user details. Okay, so after this, here I am going to copy this complete form. Okay, now see, it's too big, but we are going to make it correct, and see here, can do like this, and I need to make it correct a bit. Okay, so I need to remove all unwanted data. We don't require any form here, so what we will do step by step. Okay, only thing we require table and the field names. Okay, so what I am going to do, I am going to remove all unwanted data, and I'm going to keep this table, and this form is not required, and can do like this. Okay, now it's fine. Now inside this table, we can go by step, like we can replace it with our data. Okay, so one by one we can do. We can update like this. User, after user details, we have seen details will come, and after that DOB will come like this. Okay, so we can update one by one record like this. Okay, here, then in this one, in this we can open, you can do here gender. Okay, now select box this one. Okay, and we can do it like height. Okay, like this we can update all the data. Main thing here is how we define the relation between user and user details, and we able to fetch all the data together, okay, from our controller file. Okay, there are other ways as well, uh, but this is one of the way we are working on. We can directly fetch details from model as well, but there are other ways that I will show you in future. There are other ways as well to do this kind of similar kind of job that we are doing right now. Okay, so we just need to add all the information like this. Okay, city and as well state. We can update all the information like this. Okay, After that, we will see there after making, okay, completing the changes. It is here, here, now here, hobbies will come here, education will come here. Okay, now again this one we can replace with our own data. Here occupation like this. Okay, so here as well we can update it with income. Okay, and here we can update with about myself. Okay, now the last one we can update with partner details. Here I think about partner is the field here. Okay, now this one we can remove. Well, sorry, this one we can remove. This one will not required, so we can remove it completely like this. Okay, make sure that you, when you remove anything, you remove it correctly, otherwise it will come. Okay, so after switching this thing, now we can see, and here also we are going to make it 100% and fine here. Now we are going to test. See, we have details for two of the users. You have seen that we have details for two of the users, and one user is the rock. Okay, so here issue has come. Okay, here it will come like marital status. Okay, so we just need to correct the uh, table name, our column name. Okay, and complexion. Okay, it's not there at all, I think, and complexion is not there. So we can remove the field that's not there. Okay, can remove this field at all. Okay, so we can continue. Occupation or spelling mistake. Okay. Occupation. Yeah, see it here. We can save again and refresh now and see. Now it's coming fine, and now I'm going to check for rock user, and we'll click on view. See, the information is coming fine for all the columns that we have filled for the rock, and it's coming fine. Okay, it is perfect. And now you can see the other one, like for 8th ID. See, separate information is coming for the 8th ID, and the other users not filled any dating form, so it's coming as empty. We can fix this one because we just want to show the similar kind of format, and we can remove this stuff. Okay, so we can remove these signs. Okay, these are not required now because we have copy from the uh, form, so it is appearing here. We can do all at once. Okay, so but be careful, sometimes it picks some of the wrong data, so you have to be careful. So we can simply do like this also. Okay, yeah, so all the data star signs we can remove here. uh, Fine, and now we can see again. Now we can see again if it is working fine. Yeah, we can open the 6th ID. Here now it seems to fine. All the details are coming, but now we need to resolve this issue. This one, we need to specify the width so that it will remain fixed. Okay, like width here we can specify like 60%, and Here we can specify like 40%. Oh, I am doing wrong here because it's uh, the fixed thing and it's the dynamic thing. So we can do like this 40 and 60%. And now we are going to see. Now see here and see it's coming fine. Now format is fine. Everything seems to be fine. That if the data does not there, so it will show the empty. But if the data is there, then it will show like this. Okay, so we can open the details for every user and assess the details like this, and it seems to be fine. Okay, so now we able to do this thing and now in next video we will work on that active inactive status. Okay, we will add some active inactive drop down here and we will make all users as inactive whenever they register, but the admin is going to make them active after checking all its details. But you have seen this model pop-ups. Okay, now you have seen in video model pop-up is working fine for showing complete details for every user. Okay, in next video we will work on active inactive status uh, for users uh, every time when user registers uh, and and uh, submit his setting profile. We are keeping its status. We will keep its status. Yeah, we will keep its status. I think we are already keeping its status as inactive. So see here, yeah, we are already keeping this status as inactive. Okay, so we are keeping their status as inactive, and admin can make them active from admin panel after accessing their details. Okay, so this thing we will do in next video. So stay tuned for next video. Thanks for watching. So now it is clear to you that we have shown all the details in here, user details here, and uh, and we have used the has-one relation to define the user with user details. Okay, so and then we get everything here. Here we have added for each, and in for each we have shown all the details, and for model we have added here ID so that we can open separate model for all users. So in this way we have shown the modal pop-up. Okay, so in future video we are going to show that drop down that for active inactive, and after that we will work on edit feature that if admin wants to edit any profile, like if some user have made some grammatical or some spelling mistake in his profile, then if admin wants to update, then admin can upgrade that from admin panel, and admin can even delete the profile of any user, and he can simply disable, like it is disabled right now, but he can also delete if he thinks that profile needs to be deleted. So all the features we will provide to him, and in later videos, uh, users are going to interact with each other with some other users who also register on the website, and there we will see the main point of any dating website. And later on, we will also do the chat functionality, message functionality, and many much more things we are going to do in future. So, so I hope that everything is clear to you. Here we have displayed those all the users, and so it's all clear. So that's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.